Serbia, a country in the heart of the Balkans, hides within it beauty that often surprises visitors. Besides lively cities and historical places, Serbia possesses a true treasure of natural wonders, including magnificent mountains, green forests, and enchanting waterfalls. These cascades of water, often hidden amidst the lush greenery, offer a sight of raw power and captivating beauty. From the high Carpathian Mountains to the gentle slopes of the Dinaric Alps, Serbia's diverse landscapes are adorned with numerous waterfalls, each possessing a unique charm. Some are easily accessible, inviting visitors for a refreshing swim in the cool water, while others require a bit of adventure to reach, rewarding brave explorers with impressive views. Whether you seek peace amidst the sounds of nature or an adrenaline rush as you make your way through wild landscapes, Serbian waterfalls offer an unforgettable experience. So, let's embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems of Serbia's natural heritage, where the sound of waterfalls blends with the whisper of the wind. Prepare to be enchanted by the beauty of these natural wonders. Allow the stories and legends that surround them to transport you to a world where myth and reality intertwine. This is a call to discover the magical allure of Serbian waterfalls, a testament to the untamed spirit and beauty of this land. Nestled in the Kučajski Mountains in eastern Serbia lies the majestic Lisin waterfall, a true example of natural art. This impressive waterfall, cascading from a height of over 20 meters, creates a thunderous sound that echoes through the surrounding beech forest. It is believed that the name of the waterfall, Lisin, comes from the Serbian word for fox, as legends speak of cunning foxes that once sought refuge in the nearby caves. The Lisin waterfall is reached through a picturesque walk through dense forests and over babbling brooks. The trail, although well marked, is not for the faint of heart, as it involves steep ascents and descents. However, the reward is well worth the effort. As you approach the waterfall, the air becomes fresher and the sound of water grows louder. Finally, the majestic Lisin waterfall reveals itself in all its beauty. The sight of the water crashing onto the rocks is a truly impressive sight. For those seeking adventure, there are opportunities for rock climbing and exploring the nearby caves, which are said to have been used by Serbian rebels during the Ottoman rule. Whether you are a passionate hiker, a nature lover, or simply seeking a break from everyday life, a visit to the Lisin waterfall is an experience that will remain etched in your memory. Deep within Tara National Park in western Serbia hides the mysterious Sopotnica waterfall, often called the Serbian Niagara. This breathtaking waterfall, cascading down a series of limestone steps, stretches over 200 meters in length, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's raw power. The name Sopotnica comes from the Serbian word sopot, meaning waterfall, which testifies to its undeniable grandeur. Unlike its North American counterpart, Sopotnica is relatively unknown, which adds to its allure. This hidden gem is reached by a scenic drive through Tara National Park, followed by a short walk through dense forests. As you approach the waterfall, the sound of water becomes increasingly louder, creating a sense of anticipation. Suddenly, the forest opens up, revealing the impressive sight of the Sopotnica waterfall. The water flowing over the limestone cliffs creates a symphony of sound and motion that captivates all senses. Legend has it that the water of Sopotnica has healing properties, attracting visitors seeking recovery and peace. The surrounding area is ideal for hiking, with numerous trails winding through lush forests and offering stunning views of the Drina River Canyon. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider taking a boat ride through the canyon, which will allow you to witness the full scale and beauty of the Sopotnica waterfall from below. High on the slopes of Kopaonik in southern Serbia lies the enchanting Prskalo waterfall, a hidden gem shrouded in legend and folklore. This gentle waterfall, cascading down a moss-covered cliff, creates a fine mist that sparkles in the sunlight. The name Prskalo reflects the gentle splashing of the waterfall. Legend has it that Prskalo waterfall was once a gathering place for fairies and forest nymphs who were drawn to its ethereal beauty. They say that on moonlit nights one can still hear their laughter and songs echoing through the forest. Prskalo waterfall is reached by a moderate hike through lush forests and mountain meadows. The trail, though well maintained, can be slippery in places, so caution is advised. As you ascend the mountain, the air becomes fresher and the scent of pine fills the air. Finally, you will hear the gentle roar of Prskalo waterfall beckoning you closer. The sight of the water cascading down the moss-covered rocks, creating a fine mist that dances in the sunlight, is truly mesmerizing. The surrounding area is perfect for a picnic or simply relaxing and enjoying the peace of nature. Plan your visit to Prskalo waterfall today and experience the magic for yourself. Don't miss out on this enchanting adventure. For more videos, click like and subscribe. And in the comment write for which place you want the video. I salute you until the next video.